Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own LLC in Wyoming. So the first thing you want to do is just easily scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help us to start our own LLC. And I always recommend guys is that outsource what you can outsource. Focus on running the business and let someone else to do the proper work for you and then try to do everything. I see many entrepreneurs who are starting, they are focusing on accounting, administration, starting the business, and they want to know everything. Yet then they are not actually running the business. So I'm an entrepreneur for like 7 years right now. So I think this is really crucial. So when you're going to be in Incfile, you want to click here and start my business. Then you're going to choose the LLC and state of formation. You want to scroll down below and find Wyoming. When you're going to be here, you have option between silver, gold, and platinum packages. Silver is the basic one when you're going to have the free registered agents, unlimited name searches, filling the articles of organization. But what do I actually recommend is gold version and actually paying for it, and don't try to cut every single corner. And when you would choose the gold, you can have the business tag consultation, the unlimited phone and email support, also the business tax number, IRS form, operating agreement, banking resolution. So they are going to cover a lot of stuff for you that you don't need to do. And then you're going to have the platinum option here, and you're going to see the business contract templates, expedited filling, domain name, business email. So when you would find the expedited filling here, that means that your like LLC would be filled faster, not weeks, but days. So I'm going to click on the gold here, gold package. And now I'm going to add a first name, last name, and email. So I will add Marcus Stonelius, email address. Okay, here I got it. And then also phone number. So here you would add a phone number, and at the bottom you would add also Wyoming. Okay, here I got it. And then the street address. Nice. City. Wyoming, zip code. Okay, when you got it, just press next here. And now we have option to go with a 3 weeks filling time or 1 business day. Now, if you're gonna choose 3 weeks filling time, later in like the order, you can also actually get the platinum package. So you can go with the 3 weeks and then choose a package, or if you don't want to choose the platinum package, which is $150, you can just easily choose the 1 business day for $50 if you want to do that. Now when you got it, click next. Here I will add a LLC name. So I'm going to, you can name it Bakery by Jessica, Hair Salon with Martha, whatever. So I'll add a LLC name, and I'm going to name it like this, and LLC. And then number of members, I'm going to add just myself. And then business purpose, you add here, let's say it's going to be marketing with marketing services for small business owners. And then when I got it, I have to add also what is going to be marketing consulting services. And then are you registering entity containing a word or words in a foreign language? No. Company address information, now you have options to have the professional business address, virtual mail service, or you can use your own address. I recommend doing this with professional business address because you're going to maintain your privacy by using a commercial address, or if you want, you can use your own. Now when you got it, again, you choose the address if you're going to choose your own. If no, you can simply click here and go further. Now when we see next, here we're going to find the premium service package. This is what I was talking about. You can easily upgrade it with expedited filling service, business contract templates as a terms of service, privacy policy, and everything. and domain name and business email address. And when you got it, again, you can click no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity, or get upgraded bonus. Again, you choose. Then you see the member one that you can have individual or company. So if you're individual, just add here the first name and street address and percentage of the ownership, and then press next again. And here you're gonna have option to assign Incfile as my registered agent. This is something that I definitely recommend for you to do, so they will do it for you. You don't have to actually do it. Then you don't have to act as your own registered agent. For the first year, you're gonna have it for free. Then you see a price right here. Now, when you got it, we're gonna go further, and you see that you're gonna have the guaranteed rates, all inclusive, reduced junk mail, and then press next again. And then tax identification number information. It's a 9-digit number that is assigned by the IRS and used to identify taxpayers. We will apply and obtain your AIN from the IRS electronically. This option is the fastest way to obtain the AIN number. And again, I would add a name here and SSN number. And when I got it, I will add also the physical street address. And here, I'll press next. Then you can simply open your account with the Bank of America. And you can simply switch not at this time, or you can let Bank of America small business specialist contact you. And when you got it, press next. And then you see the free consultation. So what you will learn, this is something I definitely recommend for you to do, is that how your LLC is taxed, how to reduce self-employment taxes, how to reduce the chance of an IRS audit. So I would definitely recommend to do that, and then click next again. And then we identify 2 licenses for your consulting business in Wyoming. So you can simply click here, yes, identify all licenses I need, and send me the necessary applications. And then you choose the use company address. Now when you got it, and when you're gonna have it all, click next again. And then here you are. So when you have it, and when you see the order here, then you're gonna click next here, when you're gonna review everything, that everything is fine. And you see the street address, card number, and then you would add just that, and you're good to go. And this is how pretty much you do it. And this is how you can easily set up and start your own LLC in Wyoming. If you can have any questions, guys, you can easily ask for Incfile, or you can easily share the questions down below in the comments. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and I hope you are going to have a great day. And yeah, see ya and goodbye.